Today we are going to learn about 10th class lesson Ideas of Development. What is development? Development is a process. It creates growth and additional income and environment and other social components. So what are that? Income. Some members thinking about it depends on income only. If they get more income or more salary, so in this way they wanted to develop it. This is also comes under one kind of development. Next, environment. If the country or if the particular place or particular city, if they are living in a good environment conditions, it's known as development, means in a good development process. So next one, it is social components. What are the social components? Means related to that society. What is that society related? Better living conditions, infrastructure conditions. What are that infrastructure? Roads, electricity, education, health. These are all comes under that infrastructure. It related to the society. So these are all combinedly, all together. It's known as development. Okay. So next one here, development involves thinking and working towards achieving goals. Understand it is? So next one, development means it is a complex task. Why it is called a complex task? It's not in a 1 or 2 days. We can't imagine it. So development, it involves that different kinds of activities there, different kinds of measurements there. Generally, World Bank measure the development account that average income based on the average income. We'll discuss later it is. Similarly, if a particular district or particular state to measure the development process, it includes that other social components there. Education, health, environment, next, life expectancy rate, literacy rate. So other number of other components are including that. So that's why it's known as complex task. Correct? So next, so mainly development means it involved in income and other goals also there. What is income? Income means what it is. Generally, everyone think that if a person getting or earning that more and more income, the person is a good condition or in that is a rich person. Some members are thinking mostly on the or based on the income only, average income or per capita income. Okay. So next, some other goals also there. What are the other goals? At the same time, for example, so one person is working in the office, they are earning get more and more income. But if the environment conditions are not good, the transport facilities is not good, what will happen? That some damage will be there. It's not a comes under development. So that's why development means mixed with income and other goals also involved in that. You can observe that will involve in that particularly economic aspects are one side, at the same time non-economic aspects. What are economic aspects? Means related to income. So those all comes under that material things. If the money is involved in the particular aspect, it's known as material things. If the money is not involved in the particular things, it is known as non-material things. Suppose one person has more capacity to purchase goods and materials. If you add that more and more income, then you will purchase that more and more. Means you have a ability to purchase goods, capacity to purchase goods. Understand it is? That is called money related money only. At the same time, so let us discuss about that non-material also there. Here you can see money means what it is. Money means material things is a factor, is a one factor. Money means material things is one factor on which our lives depends on. But at the same time, the quality of life depends on non-material things. We already discussed that non-material things. Here, what are that non-material things? Look at here. People desire to get a regular work. Next, better wages and decent price of the particular crop and other crops and other products. At the same time, they also seek non-material things like equality and equal treatment, freedom and justice and security and respect and safety also. Understand? So these are all related to that quality of life. Means it's called as non-material things. Understood? We have an aspirations about what would you like to do and how we would like to live. These are all aspirations. We already discussed that. What is development? It is a complex task. It involves material things and non-material things. Okay, here it is. For example, if a girl engaged in household work, he asks that what is her aspiration? Is she won't get any money, she won't expect that because it is household. Then what she will do? At the same time, she expects that equal treatment. Equal treatment means she is doing all household work. At the same time, she expects to participate her brother also. Some parents are not given equality between girl and boy. She expects that equal treatment and freedom. These are all similar. If a women members, they are participating in a paid work, observe here. At the same time, their incomes are increasing family income can increase in that, and also at the same time the respect in the society, a dignity in the household. So these are all increased in that. Similarly, different people have different goals. So let us discuss here. Here it is. At the same time, just you can think it. It is also important. What are the developmental goals in your locality? Whether you are living in village and whether you are living in any city. So account that. You can try to think it. Right? Now coming to that. Here it is, landless rural land. What he can expect that? How would you like to live, and what he would like to do that? Just you think it. You can expect daily work, rural level, and at the same time his daily ways more, he expects more. Next, at the same time equal treatment and good education for his children, and is living in a good environmental conditions. So these are all about the rural landless labor. So next, similarly, the prosperous farmer. What he expects? He expects that good production, or good quality of production, and good market price, and he wanted to study his children at abroad, and good environmental conditions. These are all non-material things. It is equal to all, everyone expecting. Right? So next one is urban employed, not rural, urban employed. What he expects that? Urban employed. Daily wage and good environmental conditions, because in urban area pollution will be there, like Delhi. Observe that, most polluted city in India. Understand it is. And good safety conditions in his working office or in that particular company, and want to get more salary, wanted to increase that salary, and his children, he wanted to study in a good corporate school. So these are all expected by that particular person. Similarly, a person from fishing family, fishing means fisherman, he wanted to get a good day to catch fish. At the same time, equal treatment, freedom, justice, these are all common for everyone. He wanted to give their children a good studies. He provide good education to the children. Not like him. These are all goals, aspirations for a fisherman. Next, an industrialist. Generally, industrialist, he wanted to get a more production, more and more earn money, means profits. More profits he needed. He provide good education for his children in abroad schools. And at the same time, non-material things like dignity and safety environment. These are all common only. So next one it is industrial worker. Industrial worker. For an industrial worker, what he wanted to get that industrial worker mainly he wanted to get a good wages and good increments and respect and equality. So these are all he needed that. He expects that. Next one it is here very important. You know that humans have been developing from the past or ancient time onwards. Slowly they are getting knowledge and scientific knowledge, and they are ending that present day. Now we are developing process there. Still it is going on developing. Okay. When did humans arrive on the earth? 1 lakh years ago. Do you know that humans were the hunters and gatherers about 2 lakhs years ago? And they began to know that agriculture, they practiced agriculture. This is nearly about 12,000 years ago. Next, after that, gradually they shifted that activities, agriculture to industries. When did they started that? Industries were developed. Industrial growth were increased. Nearly about 400 years ago. In which country is the first country to industrialize in the world? England. 18th century, in England area. We already learnt in that 9th class. Industrial revolution. Because suitable conditions for that particular country, favorable conditions, and the England is a fortunate in the industrial method. Okay.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.